Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto red velvet cheesecake cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter softened, so that's 2 sticks. You need a half a cup of some kind of granulated sweetener. I'm using the Monkfruit because that's just what I like. 1 large egg, and you want that at room temperature. Then you need 4 teaspoons of red food coloring if you want to make these the red velvet, you know, the red color. Then you need 2½ cups of Carbquik, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And then for the filling, you need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want that softened also. 2 large egg yolks. We're only using the yolks. Then you need 1/4 cup of some kind of granulated sweetener. Of course, I'm using the Monkfruit again. And then you need 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's all of our ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to preheat our oven to 350, if you can see that over there. And then line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper because we should get about 48 cookies. All right, let's go ahead and mix together our butter and our granulated sweetener with an electric mixer until it is light and fluffy. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So next we're going to go ahead and beat in our food coloring, our vanilla extract, and our egg until it's nice and combined. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So next in another bowl, we are just going to whisk together our Carbquik, our cocoa, our baking powder, and our salt. And then we're going to gradually beat that into our wet ingredients. All right, all of my cookie dough is mixed together. I just used my electric mixer as much as I could, and then I just used a spatula for the rest to make sure everything was well incorporated. So now we're going to shape this into 1-inch balls and place them 1 inch apart on a baking sheet. All right, that took me quite a while, but I was able to get 48 of these little balls. So if you need to see like about how big they are, about that size. All right, so just using your hands, you just want to slightly press down each cookie. Not too hard, but just slightly press it down. You don't really want them to break. You still want them to be a circle, so make sure that's still there. So now we are going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, while the cookies are in the oven, you want to go ahead and make the filling. So in a medium bowl, we're going to beat together the cream cheese, egg yolks, your sweetener, and your salt and your vanilla extract. And just beat that until it is nice and combined and creamy. All right, my cookies came out of the oven after 10 minutes. Now we are going to take a teaspoon and just make an indent into each one for our filling. All right, my indents are in there. So next we are going to spoon filling into each of those indents. All right, all my cookies are filled, and they're pretty high, most of them. So we are going to put these back into the oven for 12 minutes. All right, all of my cookies are out of the oven, and I'm going to say to maybe just cook those 10 minutes instead of the 12 that I said. I just feel like mine got a little brown on the bottom because I didn't check that. But we are going to let these cool completely, and I think I'm going to put mine even in the refrigerator after they cool before we serve them because I don't know, I just like cold cheesecake. Warm cheesecake just doesn't sound good to me. So we will let these cool off, and I will see what Taste Tester thinks. Taste Tester,
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.